today I'll be showing you how to do these nails. You need red, white, and black polish. As you can see, I went ahead and polished my toenails. Look at that shine. Gonna paint the top of the toenail black for the face. Now I'm gonna do a vertical line straight down the middle of the nail. Now I'm going to do some polka dots on both sides. Follow me on Instagram at Awesome Nails. Now I'm going to do polka dots on the rest of the toenails. This is what they look like when they're done.